Hey, hi, my name is Mahesh Kalyanpur, and today I am going to talk to you about how to find inner peace during these tough times when the entire globe is fighting against Corona. Dear friends, I want to tell you that Corona will not kill you, but your negative mindset will definitely kill you. You know what? When we are in a state of stress, automatically what happens is stress hormones release and automatically our immune system goes down, and this is the main reason people are dying all over the world. Yes, there is a respiratory collapse, there is a problem with maybe blood clots all over, that is there, but you can overcome if you have a strong immunity. And if you are in a stress, if you take a lot of stress, then definitely this is going to kill you. So take care of that, and I want to share with you some points which will definitely help you to come up with innovative ideas and help yourself and help people surrounding you to really gain strength and fight against this deadly virus. So I am going to share with you 7 pinpoint messages, and take down these messages, make notes out of it, reflect on it for some time, and help each other to grow, because this is really the survival of the fittest era. Okay, so without any delay, the point number 1 that I would want to share with you during these tough times is humanity needs to be loving and kind. We all need to be loving and kind enough to our fellow people who are connected to us. We need to take care of them, not just the people, even the animals that are in our surroundings. We need to take care of them because we have only one planet, and we have those people who are very close to us. They are very important to us. So please be loving and kind, because when you are in that mode, good hormones secrete and your immunity will definitely improve. Okay, the second point that I want to share with you guys is learn to be in this moment. This moment is called as present. And what is the meaning of present? Present means gift. God has given this present moment to make it a pleasant moment. So learn to be in this moment, because the more you are mindful, the more you have clarity in decision making, and you can fight this battle with clarity. Okay, and you can also help your people to gain clarity and fight this battle together. So the point number 2 is you need to learn to be in this moment, and this is called as mindfulness. And the point number 3 that I would want to share with you guys is please stay away from negative media. Today I have been watching a lot of media. It is maybe they are required to do so. They are getting out with all the real-time data that is coming up, but then it is none of our business. Our life is our business, right? The people who are connected to us, their life is our business, but we cannot take the burden of somebody who is in the Australia or maybe somewhere in the other part of the world. But then the best thing that we can do is staying away from the negative media. The next point I would like to highlight here is you need to learn to cleanse your aura, meditate, find your inner peace. The next point, the pinpoint that I would want to share with you is talk to your loved ones. We are losing so many people. More than the number of people dying out of Corona, I can see a lot of people dying out of suicides. Please talk to your people, see if their mental health is well. And the last point that I would want to share with you is digital detox. This is very important. We need to come out of this digital era where we reduce our screen time and we spend a lot of me time and family time, and this is very important. I hope you found this video very useful. Take care, stay positive, stay motivated. God bless you.